Hello everyone, and welcome to DelftStack. If Google Chrome is crashing on startup and displaying application error code 0XC0000005, this indicates a memory access violation, meaning the browser is trying to access a restricted or corrupted part of your system's memory. I will show you exactly how to resolve this right now. Let's get started. First, we need to repair any corrupted Windows system files that might be blocking Chrome from executing. Press the Windows key, type CMD, right-click on Command Prompt, and select Run as Administrator. In the terminal, type sfc /scannow and press Enter. Allow the scan to reach 100%, which will automatically find and replace any damaged operating system files causing the memory violation, then restart your computer. Next, a known software conflict can be resolved by stopping third-party applications from injecting custom DLL files into Chrome. Press the Windows key and R, type REGEDIT, and hit Enter. Navigate using the left folders to HKey Local Machine, Software, Microsoft, Windows NT, Current Version, Windows. Look for the value named Load App Init DLLS on the right side. Double-click it, change the value data from 1 to 0, and click OK. Finally, if Chrome still refuses to open, you can bypass its strict memory isolation feature. Right-click your Google Chrome desktop shortcut and select Properties. Click the Shortcut tab and find the Target text box. Click at the very end and press the spacebar exactly once and type --no-sandbox. Click Apply and OK. This forces the browser to open by temporarily ignoring the environment causing the crash. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching.